Hello everybody, it's Andreas again. Today I want to give you a brief overview of what we actually do for lots of our clients regarding a review of the applications. Okay, so often we get asked, especially from younger foreigners, hey, I have everything, I looked at VFS website, I have a complete list, I have all the documents, but can you look at the application that really everything is in order and everything is fine? Now, we gratefully, do that, and usually how we do it is the following. So there's an hour's appointment where you need to bring in all the documents which you think will form part of the application, and one of our very experienced consultants will sit and we'll go through the documents and look at them and then point out, what's missing or potentially missing. And then even give clear instruction which documents still have to be fixed, if any, or not. So a lot of clients really like that because it gives them the peace of mind, it gives them the reassurance that it works. And then usually in the meeting, we also offer then to add another package on top of this, which we call our submission package. And that really basically means is after you went back and fixed the documents, you can bring the documents back. We will capture everything on VFS's website. We will book the appointment for you, and then you're going to go with the ready-made application to VFS and submit yourself.